Model, 2020 Vauxhall Vivaro L1 Dynamic 3100 2.0, 120 PS, Turbo DS, S60k miles, no VAT, 12 months MOT bargain. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 60,247. MOT, the 17th of December 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FEU. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. This starts and dried brilliantly and will be an absolute bargain for somebody ready to get in and go to work. Grin. Condition summary, interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, 2 keys, cruise control, aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2023. Cap retail, 9,000.